You probably don't realize this, but you're actually leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year in tax savings because you don't realize all of the deductions that you can qualify for as a business owner. These thousands of tax savings come from everyday expenses that you're already paying for. This is one of my favorite light bulb moments for all of my clients. So these are everyday deductions business owners forget that you need to know in your life. So the first one is the home office deduction. So there's two ways that you can go about this. You can go about it the simplified way or the actual expenses method. Simplified method is $5 per square foot of the house that is dedicated to your home office. And this is the place that is strictly used for business use. The actual expense method, which usually winds up being the larger amount but takes more effort to calculate, is the actual expense method, which calculates your furniture, repairs, and portion of your utilities and rent that go towards the home office. So the next thing that you got to remember is your mileage. So when you're traveling for business, you get a tax write-off for doing that. And it's at the rate of 70 cents per mile for business travel. But you got to remember, this doesn't count commuting from your home to your office or your primary place of business. This is only for long distance travel, such as going to see clients and other things like that. Third everyday expense that you need to remember are things like subscriptions and your phone bill. So this would include software and apps, so like ChatGPT, Zapier, video editing software if you're a content creator. Those all are able to be written off. And additionally, you can write off things like a portion of your phone and your internet bills that are used in your business. Other things to remember are things like parking, tolls, business meals, and business insurance. Those are other things that you're already paying for that are able to be written off on your tax return. So tracking these small costs can really add up and make a huge difference in your tax bill every single year. These are things that you barely notice throughout the year, but once you get them on the tax return, they make a huge chunk of what we're able to write off and lower your taxable income. So comment down below. Let me know your other favorite everyday expenses that you like to use as write-offs in your business and in your life.